am from an institute called the Career and Organizational Development Institute, aka CODI. It is recently developed. It is twofold. What we do is we do career guidance in the most disadvantaged, the most remote areas, townships, the poorest of the poor regions. What we do there is we do career guidance through career assessments. Now, maybe many of you will be familiar with career exhibitions, but we take it a notch further. We bring a process rather than event where we say we bring career assessments where they're not there, and we test the capabilities, aptitudes, interests of the learner, and the strengths. Wherever their weaknesses, we bring the remedial strategies or adaptive techniques so that they can grow. So that's the first part of CODI. The second part is the organizational development. We help social enterprises to be self-sufficient. So we help them with business skills development. We do mentorship training and things like that so that they can grow, because we know that the need in the community is growing, but the government funding is depleting. So we need to see what we do about that. We come and we say, all right, we're not the experts, and we're not saying, all right, we've got all the answers, but we're saying, let's work together. Let's use a narrative approach when we approach the kids. Let it be individual and specific. So many instruments are customized for the American context, but South Africa is diverse. I mean, we've got huge divides between the small group of the wealthy and a large group of the poor, all right? We've got a huge unemployment rate. Our black students, can I just tell you some shocking facts? 40% of the first years, they drop out in their first year. Those are black, right? And 2 out of 5 of the dropouts cite poor career guidance as a reason for dropping out. So we see that there's a problem there, right? And less than 5% black students from the rural areas, they are the ones who they don't graduate, right? So we see that, all right, whatever guidance is out there in the schools, in our disadvantaged schools, it's not enough. It's not enough. The learners are not equipped to be competent with the South African and global developments that are happening. So we say, all right, let's work together. We provide workshops, training, mentorship. So it's teacher workshops, it's student workshops, it's these assessments, and yes, basically that's what we do. I don't know if I've gone over 3 minutes, but yes.